Hello everyone, my name is Jan, I'm a founder of Bali Freedivers, and today I want to tell you about our school, which is located in Amed, East Bali. Out of 12 years I'm living in Indonesia, 10 I'm freediving. I became instructor in 2017 on a beautiful island of Nusa Penida, next to Bali, and since then I'm teaching freediving, I'm bringing people around Indonesia to explore its underwater beauty and to explore themselves. I do believe in freediving as a magic tool for people to change their lives. In 9 years teaching freediving, I came up with my own approach. This approach is focused on inviting my students to be introspective, to be self-aware and present in every moment. And now I'm here in Amed with school Bali Freedivers, welcoming everyone to start their freediving journey or to improve their skills and dive with us through the coaching sessions. In fact, we are offering something for everyone. If you are a beginner, you can join our Try Freediving or Level 1 freediving courses and start your journey in freediving. Also, if you are an experienced one, you can join one of our fun diving trips and explore various coral reefs around Amed and Tulamben area. You can join coaching sessions where you improve your skills and level up your freediving. Or you also can join other advanced courses, Level 2, Level 3, or even 1 month's master program. Once you arrive to Amed, we are ready to welcome you at our office. Here, theory classes are happening. Doesn't matter if you take Level 1 course, Level 2 course, or even a coaching session, we do some briefing and discuss theoretical aspects of freediving here. Our office has a special place for stretching or breath work. We also have an ice bath here, so everyone who likes that fun can join it in the office. Just before going to the water, we check equipment, choose the best one for you, and ready to dive.